Are you one of the millions suffering from toenail fungus? You're not alone! But here's the thing, most of us tend to ignore it until it becomes a real problem. But fear not, today I'm here to spill the super effective home remedy for toenail fungus. What is toenail fungus? It's a fungal infection that affects the toenails. It can cause the nails to become discolored, thickened, and brittle. Fungus thrives in warm, moist environments, making your feet an ideal breeding ground if you're not careful. Super effective home remedy. One of the most popular home remedy for toenail fungus is apple cider vinegar. Its acidic nature helps create an inhospitable environment for fungus to thrive. Here's how you can use it. Mix equal parts of apple cider vinegar and warm water in a tub. Soak your affected toenails in this solution for 15-20 minutes daily. Pat your feet dry thoroughly afterward. Remember, consistency is key when trying this remedy, and it's essential to be patient as toenail fungus can take time to clear up completely. And there you have it, folks! The lowdown on how apple cider vinegar can help tackle toenail fungus. If you're dealing with this issue, give apple cider vinegar a try. But remember to use it safely and consult with a healthcare professional if you have any concerns, if your symptoms persist or worsen. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and until next time, take care.